Let's talk about chefs. A chef cooks food professionally in a kitchen. Chefs work in restaurants, hotels, and cafeterias. Some chefs write cookbooks or appear on television. The head chef is in charge of the kitchen. They decide the menu and lead the other cooks. A chef uses many tools. Knives, pans, and ovens are some of the tools. Chefs prepare many different ingredients. They chop, slice, and measure carefully. Timing is very important in a kitchen. All the dishes for one table must be ready at the same time. Chefs must keep their kitchen very clean. Food safety is a serious part of the job. In Japan, some chefs are called itamae. They often specialize in one type of food, like sushi. Sushi chefs train for many years. Cutting fish and preparing rice takes great skill. A pastry chef specializes in cakes, bread, and desserts. Many bakeries have pastry chefs. Restaurant kitchens are very busy. Chefs must work fast and stay focused under pressure. Many chefs start as kitchen helpers. They learn by watching and practicing every day. It is a demanding job. Chefs often work long hours, including weekends and holidays. A chef's greatest reward is seeing people enjoy their food. A delicious meal can make people very happy.